If you want better video content, NeatScribe. Transcribe audio and video to text offers a focused place to start. NeatScribe. Transcribe audio and video to text focuses on this promise. Convert audio and video to accurate text in seconds. Fast, accurate, and perfect for lectures. One source-supported capability is NeatScribe turns a 1-hour interview into an editable transcript before I've finished organizing my notes. A practical use case is speaker labels and subtitle exports save me a repetitive editing step on every episode. NeatScribe. Transcribe audio and video to text also highlights. Timestamps make it much easier to revisit interviews and pull the exact customer language into our research. For the workflow itself, the source explains. So the key insight was that our users don't want more features. They want the product to feel effortless. The practical outcome is grounded in this source point. Most audio and video formats are supported. That gives viewers a concrete way to judge whether NeatScribe. Transcribe audio and video to text fits their own use case. If that matches what you want to create, NeatScribe. Transcribe audio and video to text offers sign up as the next step.